Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to perform a Shapiro Wilk Normality test in SPSS. This test is used to check whether your data is normally distributed, which is a key assumption for many statistical analysis. The Shapiro Wilk test is a statistical test that assesses the null hypothesis that a data set is normally distributed. So let the null hypothesis be that the data is normally distributed, and the alternative hypothesis be that the data is not normally distributed. So if our p-value is less than 0.05, the null hypothesis is rejected, indicating non-normality. So let's quickly go to our SPSS. I have a data here that we would use for this analysis. So quickly, let's go to Analyze. Under Analyze, let's go to Descriptive Statistics, then we go to Explore. Under Explore, we are going to put our income in the dependent variable. Optionally, if we want to analyze groups separately, we are going to move them here under this factor list for grouping variables, for example, gender. Okay, so but since our data does not cover that, I would leave this block unchecked. Then I'll go to my plot. Under my plot, I would click on histogram and our normality plot test. All these are for visualization to be able to further explain whether our data is normally distributed or not. All right, so after that, we'll click continue. Okay. All right, so here's the descriptive statistics. Our interest is on the test of normality. So we have the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test here, and we have the Shapiro Wilk test here. So from the Kolmogorov, we'll see that the p-value here is less than 0.05. indicating that our data is not normally distributed. And the Shapiro Wilk test here, also the p-value here is less than 0.05, also showing that our data is not normally distributed. If we go down to the histogram, we'll see that our histogram is skewed to the left, suggesting that our data is not normally distributed as well. If we go to the normal QQ plot for the income, you would also see that there is a great deviation at the right. So also going to our normal QQ plots here, also for the trended normal QQ plot, you would also see that our data does not follow this line, suggesting our data is not normally distributed. As well, for the box plots, you also see that there are greater outliers here. So this is how you run a Shapiro Wilk normality test in SPSS. If you have a skewed data or outliers, consider transforming them using logarithmic transformation or the square root to address non-normality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more SPSS tutorials, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.